Would you like some mustard with that?
No, thank you.
Why didn't Nanny stay for dinner?
Said something about going home to take a call from her sister in the East.
What's the matter with them?
What's the matter with all the birds?
Where'd you want this coffee?
In on the table, honey.
Hurry up with yours, Mitch. I'm sure Miss Daniels wants to be on her way.
I think you ought to stay the night, Melanie. We have an extra room upstairs and everything.
That road can be a pretty bad one at night, too, you know.
Well, if I go across to Santa Rosa, I'll come out on the freeway much earlier, won't I? Yes, and the freeway is much quicker.
Yeah, but she'll be hitting all the heavy traffic going back to San Francisco.
Just listen to those lovebirds.
Mitch.
Cover your faces! Cover your eyes!